What up?
What up, man? Good to see you.
Oh, fuck. What's going on? Why is Andre filming me? Fuck. Oh, my heart's beating.
Bro.
What? Bro, fuck, I'm losing my breath, bro. What's going on?
Alright, so I saw the picture you posted on Twitter of ASAP Rocky and the digging under the hotel. One, you leaked your hotel. By the way, it's on the back of the sheet. You can see through it.
I don't think it can get much worse than it is.
Yeah, and then two, I heard something valuable got stolen from the hotel. Something valuable got stolen from the hotel.
Not that I know of.
Talking about my bag?
And also Maverick's dead.
The bird?
Yeah.
The bird?
Wait, what do you mean?
The dog ate the bird?
Wait, hold on. Are you fucking with me?
I wish I was, brother, but Ginger, I don't even, that's kind of graphic for right now.
What?
Ginger,
What's graphic?
I have a bucket of his feathers here.
Where's Maverick?
Like the remains?
Yeah.
I would say it's probably in a similar location where columns are. I have no idea right now.
This is a joke, right?
So here's
No, I just, bro. Hey, you're fucking with me, right?
I'm really not. I wish I
Bro,
was.
no, you definitely are, because I remember before we left, you told me that you're gonna practice saying this. You told me this. You said this.
I was gonna practice saying that he flew away. Not that he flew away into a fucking grass grinder.
This is so fucked up. Oh my god! Oh, those are his feathers. That's so fucked up, bro. That's so fucked up, bro. Oh no! No! God damn it, bro. Oh my god. Oh. Bro, why does this keep happening? What the f, dude? Bro, so you're telling me that my Tibetan Mastiff Ginger killed Maverick the Parrot?
That's in the long and short of it. That's what I'm saying. Yes.
What the f, bro?
Bro,
First Kong and now Maverick, the iconic Maverick Parrot, the inspiration behind the Maverick brand. Maverick by Logan Paul all started because this one little f***ing son conure parrot, the pet that I've had for the longest time in my life, 7 years, at Maverick Parrot on Instagram, 1.3 million followers, 2.3 on the brand account. Dead? The bird I've had since 18, since I was a senior in high school before I started internet. You're saying that bird is gone and killed by my other pet Ginger.
By your other pet Ginger, who I think has like 600K or some weak ass numbers.
I f***ing hate you.
But by the way, dude, Matt keeps pulling her out of the pond because she is quite literally hunting those koi fish right now, dude. Like,
God damn it, bro. Bro, she's supposed to kill coyotes! She's supposed to kill coyotes, not my pets!
I know, man. I'm sorry. Sorry I had to be like this, bro.
Bro, what the why do all my animals get murdered when I'm gone? Literally get murdered. An aggressive murder. And their bodies just disappear, bro.
God.
Alright, yo, I gotta go. I'll talk to you later. Bro,
What the fuck?
How much
Dude?
juice you got?
this can't get any worse. Bro, the OG hoodie.
I happen to wear today.
What the
fuck? I wore today.
What the oh no, this is horrible. This is shitty. Ugh.